Hello everyone, I am Ananya Naik, student of AITM Bhatkal. I am going to explain my internship project that is microwave oven simulation, and I'm really thankful for emertxe for this opportunity. Now let's look at what we are covering in the PPT. Among them, first we need is what is microwave oven, and next requirements to build this project, and next we will see brief about embedded system, and then microcontroller and microprocessor. What is microwave oven? Microwave oven is used to heat the food using microwave, which is of form electromagnetic waves. There are several modes in various microwave oven. We are going to implement 4 modes: micro mode, grill mode, connection mode, start mode. Micro mode. This mode is used to cook food in a traditional way. It uses a maximum power of 900 watt. In this maximum time that is set for cooking 60 minutes. Grill mode. This mode is used to cook meat and bread. It works as a micro mode, but the purpose is to cook and bread. User can set time as per the cooking time of the meat. Connection mode. In this mode, user can set the oven to heat for a particular temperature, and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. After preheating is done, then the user can set the time as per the requirements. Requirements: knowledge in embedded C, MPLAB IDE, XC8 compiler, PICSIMLab, PIC 16F877A, 16X4 LCD, tactile switch, MKP timer 2. Embedded system. Embedded system is a combination of any hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task. A general purpose system is used to perform large number of tasks, whereas an embedded system is used to perform a specific task. Types of embedded system: standalone system, real-time system, network, mobile. Standalone system. First one, slave system. These systems are not intelligent even though these are embedded systems. These systems cannot take action by their own. Example, semi-automatic washing machine. Second one, independent system. These systems can take action by their own. Example, Google Car. Real-time system. These systems are time-bound systems which will take action on specified time. Failures in this system are not acceptable. Hard real-time, firm real-time, soft real-time. Example, airbag system. Networked system. The system which are connected to the network. Example, home security system. Mobile system. The system which are movable are called as mobile system. Example, robots. Here it is embedded system diagram. How to choose embedded system? Low power consumption, cost efficiency, efficient use of processing power, reliability, efficient use of memory. Microcontroller versus microprocessor. Microcontroller. Microcontrollers can be understood as the heart of an embedded system. Microprocessor. Microprocessors can be understood as the heart of a computer system. Generally used in washing machine and air conditioners, microprocessors are generally used in personal computers. And next part will be explained by Rakshita Naik.
Hello guys, myself Rakshita, and now I am going to explain architecture of PICSIMLab. The figure shows the architecture of PICSIMLab. Here lot of pins is connected from the unidirectional and bidirectional. Then the first one is RS232. It is used to serial communicational device and it is a bidirectional one. Then the second one is LED. LED is used for the output. Then the third one is buzzer. The buzzer is also used for the output. Then the digital keypad is used for the giving the input to the microcontroller. Then the SSD is used to access the data faster and improve the performance. Then the matrix keypad is used to select the mode temperature, erase, the clear, and many more. We can give the input to the microcontroller by using matrix keypad. Then the LM35 temp sensor is used to detect the temperature of micro oven. Then the RTCEEPROM. The RTC stands for real time clock, and it is a 8-pin device, and it keeps an update track of the current time. Then the last one, GPIO. It is only used for produce PWM signals. Okay, the next one is syncing and source circuit. This diagram explains the syncing and sourcing of the current. This concept is related to an switching device, which can be a transistor and a MOSFET. Here we have two configuration. On the left hand side I have a sourcing configuration, and on the right hand side I have a syncing configuration. In current sourcing, the current flows out of the device. In current syncing, the current flows into the device. The next concept is CLCD. CLCD is a screen that is used to display the result. In PixSimLab, there are two types of display. The first one is 16 into 2 display, and the second one is 16 into 4 display. It is not commonly used display. There is a two types of communication modes. The first one is 4-bit mode, and the second one is 8-bit mode. It displays the ASCII character as well as some special character. The next one is tactile switch. Tactile switch is a switch whose operation is perceptible by touch. In our project, the switch is used to select the mode of operation, and to enter the temperature, and to enter the time. This switch will produce a bouncing effect when a switch is pressed. Now the next topic will be explained by Tukagabai.
Next one is matrix keypad, which will be used as switching circuit. This is keypad in which number of textile switches are connected in row and column concept. This is used when more number of user inputs are required and still want to save some controller I/O lines. These keypads are most commonly used in telephone, calculator, lockers, etc. Next is interrupts. Interrupts are important, which help us to run the program. It will simply offer interrupt in the required interval so that our program will run properly. An interrupt is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests the MPU or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU or MCS acknowledges the request and attends the request, then goes back the processing where it was got interrupted. Next one is ISR. ISR stands for Interrupt Service Routine. It is a software routine that hardware involves in response to an interrupt. ISR attends to the request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should have register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction RETIE. When an interrupt occurs, the MPU completes the instruction being executed, then it disables global interrupt enable, places the address from the program counter on the stack, then return from interrupt. Next one is timer. Timer is an important application in any embedded system, which is a default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in sync with a system clock or an external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and generating delays, etc. Timer or counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. In this project, we have used 4-bit timer.
Myself Akshata Naik. Let's see the demo of micro oven. It's our target book. Here for the programming Amphilab XI, we can see the main.c and the main.h, and we build the program very successfully. So here we can see that microwave cooking display is on. Here three cooking mode is there, that is micro, grill and convection. So if I press key number 1 first, it shows the power on by the 900 watt, and again it shows the time for the microwave oven. So we need to select the time for micro mode. If I take time 2 seconds, then I want to clear this, then I will press the clear start, and again I will take 5 seconds and I will press the hash to enter. After 5 seconds it shows the cooking time up, and then I move on to the select grill and convection, and I will follow the same procedure for that two modes also. This is our old microwave oven target board process. Then I move on to the application part. The main application of microwave oven is the baking of bread, food and pastry, etc. And also it is used for thawing and tempering process, and also it is used for dry the moisture content. And next is the advantages. The main advantages of the microwave oven is volumetric heating process, quick and convenient method of heating food, user interface and precise control over the cooking temperature. Then the next part is the disadvantages. The disadvantage of the microwave oven is its cost of equipment is high. Unsafe microwave dish will set off a chemical reaction between the food and the container, and exposure to high levels of microwave can cause a painful burn by heating tissue or cancer. Microwave processing technology required to learn and understand. Microwave oven will update according to technology, and most likely candidates for future production scale applications will take full advantages the unique characteristics of microwave. And microwave oven, it is a totally based on embedded system, so it is very beneficial. By this I will end up my presentation. Thank you MSG to giving this opportunity, and we have learned so many things about Pixim Labs and embedded system. Once again, thank you.